Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. K's channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to use this English preposition. The first one is to, the second one is for. If you want to know when do we use to, when do we use for, and you're interested in this video, stay tuned in this video and let's go.
Fill the room with the juice. That's a lot of loot. That bit fire. Yeah, she kinda cute.
The first thing that I'm gonna tell you is how to use to. For the first case, when we are talking about a destination, I'm gonna give you an example in the sentence. I'm going to Africa next month. Fia is going to France next year. And there are many examples that you can make by yourself. Okay, for the second case of using to is with time. I'm gonna give you an example. This barbershop is open from Monday to Saturday. We also can use in another case. For an example, this barbershop is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The next type of use to when we talk about receiver an action. For an example, in the sentence, I give my book to my friend. I send an email to my lecturer. I wrote an email to my mom. Okay, for the next case, we can prefer something or comparing. Okay, I'm gonna put in the sentence, I prefer sleeping to working, or I prefer traveling to studying. Okay, at last but not least, when you want to express the reason for your action. For an example, I come here to meet you. I've studied learning English language to get a scholarship in abroad. So we are explaining why we have started doing something. Okay, now let's move on to talking about for. Okay, for the first case, when we are talking about the benefits, I'm gonna tell you in the sentence, I bought a gift for my friend. I stopped eating fast food for the benefits of my health. Also, for indicates periods of time. Okay, I'm gonna give you an example. I've been learning English for 3 years. I've been living in Jakarta for 11 years. Okay, for the next case, we can also use for in the schedule. I'm gonna give you an example in the sentence. I have an appointment with my doctor for October 21. Or this one, your presentation is scheduled for April 30. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Those are my explanation about to versus for, when do we use to, when do we use for. If you want to study more about English language, you can subscribe this channel because I'm gonna make this video about English, everything in English. So, goodbye.